how to block ads on Facebook. So if you want to quickly learn how you're going to block ads on Facebook, here's what you're going to do. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to over your Facebook, make sure you're logged in with the correct page. Now, once your Facebook page loads up, you're going to go to the menu. And once you come to the menu, you're going to go to your settings. Once you go to your settings, you're going to click on See More in Accounts Center. And from here, you're going to click on Ad Preferences. Once you click on Ad Preferences, you're going to go to Ad Settings. And once you go on Ad Settings, it's going to show you all these ads. So, there's things like categories used to reach you. You're going to go on all these things and one by one turn these off. So, my ads are already off, but normally these are going to be on for you. So, turn these off and then you're going to come back. Then you're going to come here in audience based advertising and it's going to give you all these audiences. You're going to turn them off. And once you turn these off, you have other things like social interaction, ads shown off on Meta, and you're going to turn all of them off. And what that will do is it will turn ads off on Facebook. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.